Imagine your dream home at the perfect location. A place where you can have the sand between your toes before breakfast. A place surrounded by protected rainforests filled with amazing wildlife. A place where you can enjoy all the fun of the surf and sand dunes. A place only 15 minutes from the heart of Newcastle and all the dining, entertainment and shopping you can handle. Welcome to Seaside Fern Bay. Live where you play. Perfect serene natural surrounds in a thoughtfully planned neighbourhood. Everything right on your doorstep for you to enjoy. Seaside Fern Bay is a rare opportunity to secure a new lifestyle. You can discover nature's beauty or play at one of Australia's best golf courses. Seaside Fern Bay is a neighbourhood where you can feel relaxed but still connected. Seaside Fern Bay, you can live where you play. Visit the Sales and Information Centre to start living your dream life.